Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable virtualization in Windows 11. Now, virtualization basically allows your computer to run virtual machines. Think of it as running another computer inside your computer, perfect for testing software, running multiple OS setups, or using tools like VirtualBox and Docker. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get into your BIOS settings. If you're on an HP laptop, you can just open Google Chrome, search for HP Laptop BIOS key. You'll see that typically you press the ESC or F10 key repeatedly right after you power on your laptop. Different brands have different keys, so check yours if you're not using HP. Now let's restart into the Advanced Startup menu. Go to your Windows menu, click on Settings. On the left, choose Windows Update. Scroll down to Advanced Options, then under Additional Options, click on Recovery. Here you'll see an option for Advanced Startup. Click Restart Now. Your system will restart automatically, so don't panic if your screen goes black for a bit. Once it restarts, you'll see a blue screen with a few options. When you click that, you'll get a prompt to restart again. Go ahead and hit Restart. In just a couple of seconds, your PC will boot into the BIOS setup screen. Inside the BIOS, if you're on an HP laptop, press F10 for BIOS setup. From here, navigate to the Advanced tab, then select System Options. Look for something called Virtualization Technology. If you can't see it immediately, scroll down. Sometimes it's tucked away. Once you find it, change it from Disabled to Enabled. Then go to the top or right corner, select Save Changes and Exit. Confirm with Yes. Your PC will restart normally. After your PC boots back into Windows, you can check if it worked. Press Ctrl-Shift-S to open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab, and under CPU, you should see Virtualization Enabled. And that's it. You're ready to run virtual machines. So there you have it. That's how you enable virtualization in Windows 11. It might sound a little technical, but once you follow the steps, it's really just a matter of a few clicks and restarts. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy virtualizing.